edad pa talaga. Gusto ko sa'yong sabihin ng iyong asawa, Happy 36th birthday to my beautiful wife. You're my best friend, soulmate, and everything. I love you more each year, and I'm so lucky to share life's journey with you. May your special day be filled with joy, laughter, and everything that makes you happy. Just as you bring so much happiness to my world. I love you, asawa ko. I hope I brighten your special day mo. Ano pong gusto mong sabihin sa iyong asawa?
Wala. Speechless ako. Thank you, asawa.
Huwag kang mag-isip ng mga paliwanag mo hindi na kailangan.
Ayan.
At kahit ano pa
Guwapa ko ba? Wala na. Patay natin. Ayun na.
mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita mag